In the era of technology, our workspaces and homes are often entangled with various cables, be it for computers, printers, TVs, or other electronic devices. While these cables are indispensable, they can create chaos if not managed properly. This is where a cable management tray comes into play. Let's dive into the 5 key reasons why investing in a cable management tray is not just a good idea, but a necessity for safety, efficiency, and aesthetics. Enhanced safety. Preventing accidents. The most immediate and important reason to use a cable management tray is safety. Cables strewn across the floor are a recipe for accidents, particularly in areas with regular foot traffic. It's easy for someone to trip over a loose cable, leading to potential injuries or damage to the connected devices. A cable management tray keeps cables organized and off the ground, significantly reducing the risk of tripping accidents. This aspect is crucial in workplaces that prioritize the safety and well-being of their employees. Purchase your Tsyfro grid design under-desk cable management tray. 16.5-inch, no-drill, keep workspace clutter-free. Includes cable clips, ties, and screws. Ideal for home and office. Seamlessly fit under any desk on Amazon today. https://amzn.2/3tncgqw.
This aspect is crucial in workplaces that prioritize the safety and well-being of their employees.